Wow. So, this whole lot up here from up there, from looks like to where the bridge is, all that up there, all the way down, right down. That's Sunseeker. Wow. I wonder if that's a sunseeker that there. No, not that. That. I wonder if that's a sunseeker. Looks like it by this design. Yeah. Gosh, the flipping on the top there, the radio communications, radar, etc. Yeah, same on that one over there. Little ball bubble domes on top. Oh look, there's someone moving around up there. Alright, he's going down the deck. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's another sunseeker at the back there on a crane.